What's up, everybody? Welcome to another week of Predis. My name is Curdy, and this week we're here on the Constant Spring Football Field for Daniel Sturridge Family Fun Day. Now, all of Kingston 8 turnout for this one. Big up the Liverpool striker himself. But you are watching Predis, and it's a 30-minute program, and it's straight entertainment and lifestyle. So don't move a muscle. Predis starts right now. Welcome to Predis. My name is Cruddy, and we will be kicking off this week's show with highlights from the official session of Miss Universe Jamaica. Now, you see these ladies in the wonderful swimwear, some casual wear. I don't know. Check out this right now. Predis.
The 19 finalists in the 2014 Miss Universe Jamaica Beauty Pageant were recently sashed at the Triple Century Sports Bar in New Kingston. Let's take a look at the girls in swimwear courtesy of Polka Dots. And now, let's meet all 19 girls in their sponsored sashes.
That was the highlights from the official session of Miss Universe Jamaica. Now you're watching Predis, and my name is Cruddy. And keeping the show rolling, let's head on over to Harborview and bring you highlights from the QNS Total. Right now, the customer appreciation, that means free food. I wonder if they might give a free gas. Check this out. Predis right now.
The 4-year-old QNS Enterprise Total Harborview recently held its annual Customer Appreciation event. Here are some highlights from the event.
It is very difficult, but you have to try to set yourself aside and apart from all the other gas stations. You have to try to offer really good customer service. You have to try to be on top of everything. Putting on promotions like what we're having here tonight, giving back to the community and giving back to the customers sometimes builds customer loyalty, which is what I've found with a lot of my customers.
Tell me who came on board and supported the whole move today.
All right, most importantly, Dex Waste Management sponsored us $10,000, which was used to give away free gas. 5 persons received $2,000 worth of free gas tonight. And we had Wisinko here that was offering specials. Many of the vendors gave us baskets that we used to give away. Additionally, Digicel gave us $10,000 worth of phone cards that we've been giving away throughout the day to all of our customers. Well, I will say that I have become a part of the Harborview community in the past 4 years. Everyone knows my name and everyone knows who I am. And they've always supported me through thick and thin. They've been here. And that's part of the reason why I've been able to survive as long as I have. Jamaica National has installed an ATM here on site. And actually it's doing well, which they would like to eventually put a second one here, because they said that out of all the ATMs at the gas stations they're in, this one is doing really well. So that does say something for QNS. In the United States, you have to think first world nowadays, and you have to set yourself apart from everybody else. In Jamaica, a lot of people don't want to work on a Sunday. They don't want to be open 24 hours. But there are people that work on shifts that don't have any other time to purchase the necessities that they need. Therefore, having a 24-hour shop and a 24-hour gas station is a benefit to a lot of customers, and it's also convenient. However, we make do with what we have, and a lot of people call it the little supermarket inside the gas station. So we have made our name and we have made a mark.
I can see from far, no get no time, and I'm barring at them. Up on the street, them say me dirty. When me singing at the dance, them say me not worthy. But my time, my time. Wow, me try harder than, me try harder than. Me look everything up and down like smarter than. But now me try it and me see say it's harder than stone on the beat side. Yo, my time, you know.
Well, it's a pleasure to be here tonight and a joy. Because what I've seen here in a long time, I see it now when I live it in Aguana, Jamaica, place kind of down. Low progressive people that are going. Give thanks for it. Music born in me. Coming from family bloodline. Michigan and Smiley know my uncle. Yeah, man.
You worked with any producers so far?
A lot of them, but they, not like name producers. You know, people trying like just like myself, you know. But we just do it with them and no elevation said you, but we keep on going and going. Never stop.
I'm from the 2 Mile area, Kingston 13. I'm 18 years of age, 19 coming up this year actually, and we're just still working well. So you can look out for me because I'm coming this year with new tracks such as Better Days and Don't Worry Mama from All Faces Studio. So you can look out for me on the team.
We're going for our first commercial break, and you know it's brought to you by Sip Spring Water. You're watching Predis? Keep it locked. We're soon forward.